Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll and find the sound. Now let's scroll down again and localize those options like tablet ringtone SIM first and tablet ringtone SIM second. So basically it means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for the second SIM card, which is quite nice. But let me show you how to do it using the first one. For example, it does not really matter. After tapping on this option, you will be transferred, or actually this pop-out window will appear with the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of this list, you've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of the list, you've got this option Add Ringtone, and you can simply choose something from your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to set it as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and okay. This is how it works basically. You can decide whether you like it or not. Let me volume it down because it's quite loud. So this is how it works, and if you will decide that you want to set the specific option, like for example, I did notice Atria in my case, just make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.